Alexa, change the setup lamp to purple.
Okay.
Hey. What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one in the tech box. So today we have a big, giant box. And as you can see, you can already tell it's from LG, which is right there, LG. So yeah, first of all, I'm gonna explain what this box is, guys. This box is, what's contained in this box is gonna blow your mind. What's in this box? It's a TV. And yeah, I don't really have any video on this channel about a TV, but today is a special one. This is the LG OLED TV. This is one of the most up-to-date TVs that LG's made till now. This I think came out this year at some point, but yeah, I thought I'd pick this up because yeah, it's a TV. That's why I picked it up. It's 55 inches. It's got OLED display. As you can see, it's the ThinQ AL. So if you guys don't know what that means, it means the TV is extremely thin. Maybe like this thin. It's extremely thin, and it's got the A9 second generation processor inside it. So I believe the last year's one that came out was the A7, and now is the A9. So like I said, this is new. This is like a new kind of TV, new processor, new everything that LG's brought out. So yeah, it's got the latest processor that LG has in any of the TVs, and then it's got the Dolby Vision Atmos. So you can, I think you can put Adobe. I can't remember. No, it's Sony. No, it's not. It's not. It's completely different what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's got a Dolby Atmos speaker built in. And yeah, it's got AL sound 40 watts. I don't know what that means, but yeah. And yeah, like I said, it's 4K as well. And yeah, full 4K TV. And then, got this. Holy samosas. So you guys, I hope I have not broken the TV already. I swear down. Anyway, what I was trying to show you guys was this. Yeah, it's G-Sync, NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, and also it works with Apple AirPlay and Apple HomeKit, which is pretty cool. Yeah, let's crack this box open and see what we get in the box. I'm gonna grab my big knife. Big knife, wide. Right, prep check. Got the Adidas sliders, mad thing. Anyway, let's crack this box open. I did not expect it to cut like this. Knife, guys, be safe at home. Kids, don't play with knives. Adults, play with knives. Not cut inside the box. I'm not even cutting. Right. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Hey. Guys, I think I've opened this box wrong. Oh no, I haven't. No, yeah, yes I have. No, I haven't. Right. Woo-wee. Right, let's have a look. Bend this all the way back. Okay, so what's this? We have a lot to get through, guys, so we need to do it quickly and sharply. Ooh, look at that. I guess that's the back plate that you put on to secure something, I don't know. Well, it tells you that 2 people used to be able to handle this, not 1 person, 2 people. But yeah, it also tells you 1 person can't handle it, but doesn't matter. We've already broke the TV because I smacked it on the floor, so it doesn't matter. Oh, nice! Look at the remote. Look at that sexy remote. Yeah, in here we just have some paperwork. Yeah. Yeah. Not what we really want to see. And then, what's this? No idea what that is. Looks like some kind of strap or something. Then we got the remote here. It's cool. Wow. Oh wow. They stick loads of stickers on the remote. That's mad. That looks cool. Bro. Is there batteries included? Oh my god. Wow, no batteries. Well, looks like we're not going to be operating the TV because there's no battery. Oh wow, this is actually such a nice remote. It feels nice in the hand. Like really nice. That is nice. Wow, you can even speak to it as well. Wow, that's sick. What's this? Oh wow, this is the big boy. This is what's gonna keep this TV standing solid. This is the mount. Hey, wow, that's a heavy ass mount. What was this? Wow. I guess that's where you put the cables in for cable management inside that little bit there. Well, this is cool. This is the stand where you stand the TV on. I think, don't quote me on that. I think it is, I'm not too sure. Let's put that to the side. Up. Hey, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Wow, where did this come from? Program the top. Well, yeah, here's the TV. Yeah, sweet. You get this is part of the stand as well. Well, by the way, can I just tell you guys now, everything now that I'm unboxing right now, the quality is just amazing. Everything feels so premium. Like this. This is made out of proper aluminium. Or aluminum for the Americans, but yeah, that's nice. Got the branded logo right there as well, right on top of that, which looks nice. Yeah, that's the bit in the front you'll be seeing. That looks really nice. Yeah, we've got the TV. Comparing it with the old TV right there, this is huge. I mean, to be honest with you, I would have loved to get the 65-inch, but you know what? I think this is going to be big enough. And whoa. Guys, the thinness on this is absolutely mad. It's so thin. It's so damn thin. Whew. Oh, it is so thin. Jesus Christ, it's so thin. Let me show you guys. Right, guys, check this out. Look. Let me open this up. Look how thin that is. That is a TV. I'm sorry guys, but look at that. That's literally, that looks like a mirror. But yeah, the TV looks so nice. God, it's nice. Wrapping. It's so nice. It's so flipping nice. I can't wait to get it all out the box. Look at it. It's so big as well. That's the old TV there. And this is the new TV. Anyway guys, I'm gonna get it all set up. Then I'll show you guys what she looks like, trying to get a nice light. Yeah, by the way guys, I hope you guys like that implement right there with the light shining against the wall. I think that looks sick. But yeah guys, I'm gonna set this TV up. Well, not set it up, like, yeah, build it up, and yeah, I'll show you guys in a minute when I'm done. And I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. So guys, as you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3 HDMI going in, and another 4, which is at the back here, and we got 3 USB cables. I mean USB port 1, 2, and 3. And then we got the optical digital audio out over there, and we got the LAN, so for the Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable can go on there. But yeah, and then we got the antenna cables down there, which is pretty cool. And then up top here we got the plug to plug it in to fire the TV up. So yeah, let's stand this bad boy up and see how it looks. You having fun there, mate? You having fun there? So as you can see that, guys, I've just peeled up the thing. Let me get some light up in here. Look, it's too dark. God can't see me. Hey, that's the light. That's the light. Well, yeah, guys, that's the TV there. Yeah, it's there in the background. It's absolutely humongous. It's absolutely huge, mate. Huge. But yeah, guys, it's a good upgrade from the TV that we had from August, you know. Yeah, cheap stuff. But yeah, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to smack that like button. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Share the video, and I've noticed some of you guys that are not subscribed to the channel, yeah, are watching the videos. So if you're watching the videos and not subscribed, please smack that subscribe button to subscribe. But yeah, guys, anyway, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.